Let's unbox the reciprocating saw and take a closer look at its features. Bimetal blades, soft metals, e.g., aluminum pipes less than or equal to 5/64 metal. 6 TPI HCS blade, less than or equal to 3/4 inch recommended, faster chip removal. 12 TPI HCS blade, less than or equal to 3/4 inch recommended, smoother cuts. Open chuck to remove blade. Ensure the blade is fully inserted and locked securely. For optimal performance, make sure to fully charge the tool before use. Master these practical tips to make your reciprocating saw work more efficiently. Make sure the support base is firmly pressed against the workpiece to ensure a stable and safe cut. Hold the saw with both hands for better control. Start at a low speed and gradually increase to full power. Try pivot cutting, press the support base against the workpiece, then gently move the saw around it. This provides better control and reduces the risk of blade jump. This helps reduce blade jump and improves cutting stability. Lower speed to avoid overheating and blade damage when cutting metal. Apply steady pressure. Excessive force can damage the saw and blade. Ensure the blade tip is fully exposed throughout the cut to avoid damage or accidents. This saw handles a variety of materials with ease, including wood, PVC, aluminum. Perfect for DIY, home projects. If your saw won't start and shows reset on screen, check for flashing speed bar and SPM. Simply return the speed slide to 0 position to reset.